Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to embed links on Discord. To get started, open up Discord app on your device. Once you're there, you will see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now at the button below you can see the user setting option. Click on it and scroll down until you see text and emojis. Once you have found that option, click on it and again scroll down, and there you will see embed links and previews. So just enable it and you are all done. So that is how easily you can embed links on Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.